Land or rental properties? Which one is the better investment? It's like asking if you'd rather have your cake or eat it. Let's dig into the pros and cons of each so you can decide where to put your money. Let's start with land. It's the classic investment. Buy a piece of earth and watch it appreciate over time. The beauty of land is that it's limited. Nobody's making more of it. But here's the thing. Land is not going to put money in your pocket every month. You have to be patient, sometimes really patient, to see those investment returns. It's the kind of investment that requires foresight and a bit of babalawoism to predict which areas will appreciate the most in the future. Now, let's talk about rental properties. Unlike land, rental properties start working for you from day one, or at least from the day you get your first tenant. You're looking at steady income, and if you're in a high demand area like Surulere, Lekki, Ikeja, East Legon, and so on, finding tenants is never a problem. But here's the catch. You have maintenance, tenant management, and the occasional idiot tenant to deal with. That's why short lets are preferred the most. Plus, the upfront cost is higher, and you need to make sure your property is built to last, which as a developer myself is a hill I'm willing to spend the rest of my days on. And if you play your cards right, rental properties can be a cash cow that keeps on giving. As in, you will milk the heaven out of it. If you are finding this breakdown helpful, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, because good advice is better when it's shared. So which is better, land or rental properties? Well, that depends on what you're looking for. If you are the patient type who likes the idea of owning a piece of planet Earth that could skyrocket in value, land might be your thing. But if you prefer to see a return on your investment sooner rather than later, rental properties could be the better choice. The key is to understand your financial goals and your risk tolerance. Are you in it for the long haul, or do you want to start seeing returns sooner rather than later? For example, a client of mine at Jamie Court bought an apartment for her granddaughter, so the returns will be available to her, a gift that keeps on giving long after grandma says goodbye. In the end, both land and rental properties have their merits. It's about what fits your investment. So what is it going to be? Land, rental properties, or maybe a mix of both? Whatever you decide, make sure it aligns with your goals. I've been Fola Jomi, and remember, in real estate as in life, the best investments are the ones that work for you. See you on the next one.